Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your website public on Squarespace. First, ensure all your content is finalized and reviewed. Next, connect your custom domain or prepare to use your Squarespace URL. Finally, select a Squarespace subscription plan that fits your website's requirements, as a paid plan is necessary for public visibility. These initial steps are crucial before going live. Before making your site public, it's essential to review key settings. Double-check your site title and description. These are vital for search engine optimization. Ensure your privacy settings are configured to allow public viewing, not password protection. Also, confirm your billing information is up to date to avoid any service interruptions. Taking these steps ensures a smooth transition to public availability. Now for the exciting part, making your site live. From your Squarespace dashboard, navigate to the Settings menu, then find Site Availability. Here, you will see an option to change your site's status. Select Public instead of Private or Password Protected. After making this crucial selection, remember to save your changes. Your website will then be immediately accessible to everyone. Congratulations, your website is now public. After launch, share your new site link widely on social media and other channels to attract visitors. Utilize Squarespace's powerful analytics tools to monitor traffic and user engagement, gaining insights into your audience. Remember, a successful website is an evolving one, so continue to update and add fresh, valuable content regularly to keep visitors coming back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.